Senator Grassley is optimistic that a trade agreement with China concerning U.S. soybeans may be imminent. As we approach the harvest season, which has not yet begun in Iowa, analysts predict exceptionally high crop yields that are causing prices to plummet. This situation is particularly concerning for soybean farmers, who are worried that the market value of their crops will fall significantly below production costs. Grassley attributes part of the downturn to disruptions in global trade. He notes, while the record yield is a significant factor, it's important to recognize that corn is also facing profitability challenges. Despite a powerful derecho that caused damage in July and near-record rainfall throughout the summer, projections from the USDA indicate that Iowa farmers are on track to achieve what could be the largest corn crop in history. However, this apparent good fortune can also create downward pressure on prices, as economic principles of supply and demand dictate that an oversupply leads to decreasing prices. As Grassley puts it, the harsh reality of farming is that producers might only see profit 2 or 3 times within a span of 7 to 8 years. It's essential for farmers to save during profitable years to weather the leaner times, which is simply part of the agricultural landscape. The tariffs implemented during the Trump administration led to some countries retaliating with their own tariffs. Although some of these have since been lifted, vital agreements with certain key trading partners remain unresolved. Grassley points out, since the beginning of the year, China has not made any purchases from the U.S. I haven't received any updates yet, but just last week, the Chinese ambassador visited for discussions, and soybeans were expected to be part of those negotiations. As the nation's leading corn producer, Iowa is among several states projected to harvest bumper crops this fall. Iowa Agriculture Secretary Mike Naig is actively seeking new international markets for the state's primary agricultural exports, with plans for trade missions to countries like India, Indonesia, and Vietnam in the near future. But here's where it gets controversial. Are we overly reliant on traditional markets like China, or should farmers seek to diversify their trade relationships to safeguard against future disruptions? Share your thoughts below.